The 5 Essential Elements of Nature by me, Henderson. It is widely understood that everything in nature is made up of elements: ether, also referred to as space, air, fire, water, and earth. This video is intended as a rudimentary explanation of the complexity of nature and all matter by breaking it down into simpler substances. Moving from the stability of earth through the flow of water, the passion of fire, and the lightness of air, we reach the invisible yet ultimately powerful element that makes everything else possible: ether, alternately referred to as space. Ether is both nothing and everything, all at the same time. It is the intangible yet palpable stillness of the moment. Yet it is the very thing that makes all movement and life possible. Although colorless and odorless, air is a combination of many gases, water vapors, and dust particles. Air takes up space, it has mass, can be compressed, and is affected by altitude and heat. With its qualities of lightness, clarity, and movement, air has been connected to gods, goddesses, and deities for thousands of years. In ancient Greece, the 4 wind gods governed the north, south, east, and westerly directions, and were considered to move the 4 seasons through the year. Fire represents the capacity for heat and is a source of light. The fire element is the generator of energy in the body, just as the sun is the generator of energy for the earth. Fire represents all sources of energy in the world. Fire is the process of liberating energy from its source. Fire provides the light for perception. The eyes are the vehicle through which light is digested and perception takes place. Fire can simultaneously denote illumination and purification, and yet alternately cause destruction and pain. The element of water represents fluid matter and the cohesive principle of physics. Water is the protector of the body. It provides the body with its most basic nourishment. Water protects against the dissolution of ether, the roughness and motion of air, and the heat of the fire element. Water suggests fluidity and flexibility. It awakens the creative flow in conversations and acknowledges the evolving nature of ideas, opinions, solutions, and emotions. Earth is the element representative of the solid nature of matter. The earth element represents solid matter and the structure of the universe. Earth gives form to the human body and to all of creation. The structure provided by earth is the conduit through which the other elements flow. Our physical self is essentially a combination of earth, water, air, fire, and ether. Earth is the most basic and stable of the 5 essential elements. May you always enjoy the 5 essential elements of ether, air, fire, water, and earth as the tremendously diverse yet brilliantly interactive components to all of life.